Lakeshore. Wow, brother. Usungin yan.
Yeah!
Yeah. Alright. Look at that.
Yes.
Okay.
After biking,
Biking.
fishing naman.
Fishing.
So, nakikita nyo yung connection between biking and fishing.
Okay.
Kasi ang totoo niyan, triathlete kami. No? We bike, we fish, then we eat. Biking, fishing, eating. So,
Eat a lot,
that makes
okay?
us
Eat a lot.
Triathlon.
This is Brother Jong,
Yeah.
alias Mapanikwa.
Yes.
The record breaker.
Okay. Marapyap yung Mapanikwa.
We
Alright.
will try to steal the record of Jong.
Okay.
The 9.5
pa ako.
pounds.
Red pa
Kilo?
ako fish.
9.5 kilos red pa ako. So we're expecting 10 kilo bangus
Wow.
or
Bangus.
seabass sa seabass at Lakeshore. Cross finger.
Alright.
Okay.
So this is it. Pansit. So let's get it on.